Buckle up, we got a wild ride ahead. It's in the form of a front that now looking like it's going to be a strong cold front. So much so that if you've been staying with us every day this week, at one point I was around 79, 80 degrees for the high temperature on Saturday. Based on seeing all the high-res computer models and what I'm looking at right now, I have docked the high temperature. I think we may not make it out of the 60s on Saturday. I know that's only about 7 degrees cooler than the average high, but given the fact that today we hit 90 and tomorrow we could hit 89, it will be a noticeable change, turning windy as well. Outside right now, we're watching as temperatures right around 71 degrees after that high of 90. We missed a record today by just 1 degree. High pressure and control to our east. Here's the front starting to make its way into the panhandle. Once it gets here, you're going to notice a pretty immediate change. I'm thinking the front arrives right around 4 to 6 p.m. And with that, we'll watch temperatures drop about 10 degrees. We'll see winds turn out of the north and get really gusty. No rain with the front itself, but behind the front on Saturday, we might see a few spotty showers, especially in the hill country. When you wake up in the morning, cloudy skies, temperatures warm and muggy, breezy south winds. Here comes the front. Look how we're in the 70s behind it. And then that cooler air continues to filter in, so much so that when you wake up in the morning on Saturday, we're only in the 50s. There are those spotty showers that I was mentioning. Lots of cloud cover hanging in there on Saturday. And that is why, even at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it may only be around 69 for a high in Austin, 72 in LaGrange, and perhaps only 59 degrees out in Mason. As for that rain, it's pretty inconsequential. If you're lucky, maybe 1/100 or 2 of an inch. Granted, we haven't had any rain in the last 15 days. Oh, and then there's the wind. Tomorrow morning, we've got a southerly wind, gusty, kind of like it is outside right now. The front rolls in. Anyone want to make a guess where the front is? We've got gusts to 34 to 36 miles per hour. Cold front rolls in, gusty winds all around. Those winds of change will settle down, and by Sunday, we start another warming trend. So it's a pretty quick in, quick out period that we will see the cooler weather on Saturday. Oh, and I did also want to mention opening day for the Round Rock Express on Tuesday. We could have a record high of 90.